Wagwan, people, you know, you get. Then go to your man. What's up, peeps? You don't know, so it's all about Wagwan Dalvey. You know, but they are represent to the fullest, right? So you don't know, so I have a little short story to tell you today. So you don't know, so alright. So I check in at Portland last night and thing. Until so when I check in, rain a fall, and I say I want a nice feelings for you know, see the now the hills are rain a fall and then zinc top, they are rain a bead on the zinc top, you know. So you know that story I come to my mind. You know, alright, growing up in a country and thing, you know, them they have the under house, right? Them have the houses them and the house, you know, say house them make a certain way where picnic can play underneath the house and things. So you know, say we play dolly house and all kind of thing underneath the house. So you know, one day my parents them never have nobody to stay with, right? So them left way and say ask a neighbor, we just give a yai. I saw them say give a yai over there and give a yai upon the picnic them. Anyway, you know, say after that gone, I will say alright, we the warm now and thing and we the under the house a play. You know, say rain, mosquito bite me. Anyway, you know, say rain decide to go fall and rain fall now and thing and you know me no know how me did so road. The rain a fall, you don't know what me do now. Me go so and go take off my clothes and run gone out in the rain. And you don't know what go on, me and go here, the neighbor run and come over. And the neighbor see me. She said me did run in the rain because me I say me I take a rain bath. Neighbor come and give us a spanking for me naked. I'm a naked body people, so make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Then I'll be open to enjoy what I got. You know, some my story them just short and nice and spicy. So